Hi, it's Krista and Lisa from Farmhouse Rose Co. And today we're going to show you our Valentine's Day hauls as well as our Christmas clearance hauls. The first store is Dollar Tree. The first item we have here is a candle holder. In the past years we were only able to find the one with all the hearts, but this year we were able to find the heart tree that says love on it, and it's so adorable. The next thing that we found are these really cute cards. We love how they're 3D and they're removable so you could use them on DIYs. The next thing that we found at the Dollar Tree are these really cute hearts. We got the red and black variety, but they also had a red and white and a pink and purple. They're so adorable. The next item that we found were these really cute infinity scarves. They also have regular ones, but we really like how this one looked. We're excited to use it in a future DIY that we're gonna put out here soon. The next item's a Christmas item. It was in the Christmas clearance. Our Dollar Tree had them for 50% off. It's always good to have. We absolutely love these adorable felt and burlap banners. They say hugs, kiss, and love on it, and they're just so cute. The next item is an adorable tinsel red truck with gemstone hearts in the back of it. It's so adorable and we love it. Next we have a glittery foam red heart. They also had it in a pink variety, and this was the only one that we found that didn't have the little heart in the center. We absolutely love red trucks, and this one's adorable. What really drew us to it was the kind of like foil effect on it, and then it has really cute hearts in the back. Next we have these adorable MDF signs. They are so cute and a lot of different possibilities for future DIYs. We're so excited about this next item. It's decorative mesh, but it's almost like a sweater. It has like little white mini pom-poms on it, and it is so adorable. We love this little butterfly sign. We actually found it in the regular craft section, and we thought it would be really cool for Valentine's Day because it looks like it has hearts on its wings, but you could also use it for spring decor as well. Next is a super cute heart plaque. They also had one in white as well. Next we have these super cute burlap drawstring treat bags, and they are so adorable. Next are these super cute gift bags. There's 3 in each set, and these were the only 2 styles we saw at our Dollar Tree. And last but not least, our final item we got from Dollar Tree was this ribbon. It says I picked you, and it almost looks burlap. It's so adorable. We went to Walmart next. We mainly looked at Christmas clearance, and we got a few items from the craft section. So the first item that we got from Walmart on clearance was these super cute bells. We have been looking at them for a while, and they finally went down to 75% clearance, so they were like $3 or $4. Lanterns, lanterns, lanterns. We were so excited to find these. They are so beautiful, and we're excited to use them in a future DIY. Our next items we actually found in the craft section of Walmart. They are 2 roosters and an owl, and they're really cute. And the last items that we found at Walmart were these super cute mirrors. They have little penguins on them. We thought they'd be a perfect gift idea. The next store we went to was Dollar General. They had a lot of adorable Valentine's Day decor. So the first item we got was this adorable mason jar, and has like a galvanized top on it. They also had a white variety as well. They were $3.50. The next item we got were these mini roses. They have a tiny little teddy bear on them. They came in pink and red, and they're only 50 cents a piece. We were so excited to find this pom-pom garland. It is so beautiful, and it was only $1 for a strand of it. We absolutely love these monkey stickers. They also had unicorns and koalas. Next, we found these heart-shaped gemstones. They are so pretty. We were so excited to find this love sign with an arrow through it. It is so adorable and it was only $1. We were so excited to find these signs. They're really good quality, thick signs for $1. Next, we have these craft jars. They came in red, pink, and white. Next, we have these stickers. They were only $1 a pack. They had about 6 or 8 varieties, but these are some of them that we got. Next, we have this tinsel heart wreath, and it is so adorable. And the nice thing about it is that the frame is wire instead of plastic. Next, we found these arrow signs. They are so pretty. They had a couple different varieties. Next, we have these dollar window clings. They probably had 6 different designs, but we really like these because they looked really farmhousey. Next, we have this really cute farmhousey gift bag. We really like how it looks like white shiplap and has the red truck on there. They had a bunch of different varieties for $1. Our next item is a DIY wooden truck. This item was $2, but what's really cool about it is it has a wood base, and all you do is slide the truck onto the wood base so it stands up. Our next item is a pack of napkins, and they have little conversation hearts on them. We like to collect a lot of like napkins or tissue paper to use in our DIYs. The next item was a drawstring burlap sack, and it says "Be Mine" on it, but they also had 2 other designs. The next item we have is a felt and burlap heart. It's so adorable. It has love and has 2 little birds, so it's like love birds. We absolutely love it. Next, we have some foam heart picks. They came in red and pink, and we just love them. Next, we found these felt roses. They have a red, a pink, and a light pink, and they are so pretty, and they'd be a perfect embellishment for DIYs. Here's another pack of napkins with a really cute red and pink heart design. Here's 2 other varieties of those really nice sturdy dollar signs that we showed you earlier. We were really excited to find these pom-poms. Obviously, they're really good to use for Valentine's Day, but some of the other colors you could use for spring as well. Next, we have these really adorable truck signs. One's red and one's white, and they're so pretty. And finally, we have these metal truck signs. They came in red and pink, and they're so adorable. Thank you for joining us today for our Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Dollar General hauls. If you've already subscribed to our channel, thank you for your support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Every subscriber, comment, and like helps our channel to grow and for YouTube to notice us a little bit more. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Talk to you guys next time. Bye for now.